Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both numbers can receive the verification code. This is crucial. Once done, decide which number will be primary versus secondary so messages stay organized. Install WhatsApp on one account and, if needed, WhatsApp Business for the second. This avoids account conflicts. If your phone supports dual SIM, keep both active during setup. Otherwise, use a second device or temporary SIM transfer. Make sure backups are enabled before adding the second account to prevent data loss. Now set up the second account. Open WhatsApp Business or a parallel app instance, enter the second phone number, and request the SMS or call verification. When you get the code, enter it promptly. If using a different device, forward the code securely. Restore a backup tied to that number if available, because backups are account-specific. Then customize notifications and privacy, so message routing and visibility match how you want to separate personal and work traffic. To finish, switch between numbers by opening the specific app or selecting the account profile. This keeps chats distinct. Make sure each account uses its own backup and storage location. This prevents overriding. If media doesn't load, clear the app cache or check storage permissions. If you hit verification errors, request a call instead of SMS, reinsert the SIM, restart the phone, and ensure mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable. One tip: keep both numbers active during big migrations to avoid lost messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.